Whiteboarding is a great way to brainstorm and share ideas. What if ideas are stolen and confidential information is leaked due to information left on the whiteboard after a meeting? Data suggests that sensitive information is leaked after they are left on the whiteboard after a meeting. This team of young inventors at DiscoverSTEM innovated an intelligent device to manage the whiteboards. This system consists of a compartmentalized erasing system that can identify and erase sensitive information from the whiteboard. The innovation consists of identification means to identify the sensitive information and erasing means to erase it if it detects that the data is left on the board after a meeting.
Ladies and gentlemen, the inventors of this innovation are Vedanth Venkatesh, Gabriel Bashir Khatri, Iffra Mehek Pathan, Saad Master, Rehan Sahir Ali, Zahra Shifa Khatri, Syed, Darshan Kumar, Abdullah Hasani, Mishaal Qureshi, and Zaynab Khan.